Redrose, where we've been manufacturing premium capsules and tablets for over 30 years. Everything happens under one roof here, with the capacity to produce up to 5 million capsules and tablets daily, and the option of customised or house formulations. We manufacture all of our capsules and tablets within our manufacturing facilities in the northeast of England. We offer a full packaging service using fully automated pharmaceutical-grade machinery and equipment, both for the conventional round and letterbox-friendly bottles we supply. Our AI-powered systems allow us to predict demand. With available stocks held on site and distribution managed directly from our facility, we deliver products in the unrivaled lead times Redrose is known for. Through our global logistics partners, we support pallet or box distribution, supplying customers with the highest quality nutraceutical products in over 60 countries worldwide. Our in-house experts across every department ensure the process runs smoothly and efficiently. We are internationally accredited, holding FSSC 22000 and GMP certification, alongside organic, halal, kosher and FDA certifications, making global compliance simple for our manufacturing partners. Sustainability drives everything we do, and we're making significant investments to reduce waste and energy usage while helping you achieve your net zero goals. We keep things personal and transparent. Face-to-face or online meetings, facility tours, and our open door policy mean you'll always know how to reach us. Ready to experience manufacturing built around service, speed and quality? Visit redrosemfg.com or call us to arrange your facility tour today.